Greetings and salutations, you lovely degenerates, and welcome back to the Fuzzy Wallflower, where we explore weird and forgotten drinks and other related nonsense. I'm your host, Corey. Your favorite four-letter word. One of those two. At least you don't have to count that high, right? So this cocktail is pretty interesting. I just found a new to me cocktail book. It was made in the 90s. So I guess that's still kind of vintage at this point. It's called Cocktail Nation. The interesting thing about it is all mid-century looking, but a lot of the drinks are very 90s. The one that stood out was this thing called Mango, which has no mango in it at all, so I'm curious to see if it tastes like a mango. But what's cool about this book is it does have like legends and lore, and supposedly this recipe was created by Stephen Eads, E-A-D-S, of Lucy's Surfeteria, I guess it's like a cafeteria for surf, I don't know, in New York. But supposedly Stephen is the one who went on to train Tom Cruise in cocktail. I guess you gotta have a trainer for everything, right? And it has a safety tip. Remember, there's only 3 letters separating mango from mangled. Who knows, right? As always, I am not a bartender. Do not take this as bartending advice. So let's make a drink. All right. So, like I said, it's more modern drinks. Got vodka, and I can use Midori again. Yeah. All right. So it's 1.5 ounces of vodka. Lots of vodka. So Midori. So this is almost like that Midori drink we made not too long ago. Not Midori sour. The melon ball. Yeah, that's it. Because it's got orange juice and vodka and Midori. All right, so this is 1 full ounce of Midori. Here's where the fun begins. So we got 1/2 ounce of OJ. There's part of our melon ball. 1/2 ounce of pineapple. And 1/2 ounce cranberry. So I'm assuming this all makes it taste like mango. Guess we'll find out in a minute. And shake it. Oh, got stuff all over the place. Does this seem like it's got a lot in it? We are going to go with a bigger glass. Hope for the best. Now the drink did, the recipe did say it was made for 2 to 4 people, so I'm assuming they made it for shots, which is interesting because as I've been getting into the shots world, you've probably seen some of my short reels. There's a lot of them like, make it for 6 people, and like, okay, I just want to make it for 1. So yeah, this I guess could either be 4 shots or 1 nice one, but let's see, give it a shot. No pun intended. I don't taste mango, but it is very fruity, and you taste the, get a little bit of the vodka bite, the alcohol bite, but the rest of the Midori and the fruit is nice, and it's a very sweet cocktail. So if you like fruity cocktails, you're probably like this. Kind of looks like a beer with a little bit of that head on there. In the meantime, to right side up, there we go. You guys know what to do. Cheers.